Energy saving is a mode that we use when we want to have very standard filtration time, but also want to avoid using the spa during the day's peak electrical consumption hours. In it, we have, by default, one big economy cycle every weekday from 6 a.m. to 6 p.m. and very standard filtration cycles occurring in the evenings. To add an economy cycle, simply put the cursor over Add and click on the Select button. The first thing to choose are occurrences. Then, click on the Select key to choose Start Time. Click on Select again to choose Stop Time. And confirm the changes by clicking on Select again. To modify a filter cycle, simply put the cursor over it and click on the Select key. First, we can select the occurrences. Click on Select again to change the start time. And click on Select again to change the duration. Click on Select one last time to confirm the changes. To delete any cycles, simply put the cursor over it and use the Trash button. To return to the main screen, simply use the Back key.